Okay, this is Huawei P10 Lite FRP Bypass. Testing. You connect to a Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Now click next. You wait for it to load. It takes a little time to load. As you can see, it's asking for verification. Then you go back. Now reboot. You have to reboot your phone. Restart. Wait for a few seconds for it to boot up back. It's up. Click on emergency. Dial 112. Then dial it. Then keep on pressing 44444. Yes. Now, new event. FRP. Save. You save it and go back. Then go to schedule. You click on it. Then click on share. Share with email. Skip. Add email. Output and Microsoft here. Outlook. Add your So once it loads, add your working email address that is linked with a Microsoft account, a working Microsoft account. You have to link it. Okay. Working one. And you type your Microsoft account email. If you don't have one, you have to create before going to this process. Okay. Typing, then after typing, you click on next. You can see still typing the email. Now next, to ask you for password, then you enter your Microsoft account password. Yeah. For security purposes, that is what covered. Next, then you are wait for it to load. Yeah, you click on yes. Yeah. So it's loading. You have to exercise patience. You wait. Next. Next. Okay, take me to email. Yes. Yeah. Go to setting. Yeah. General setting. Then manage account. Yes, account. Yes. Now go to system. And go to reset. Now reset all settings. You wait for it. Once done, wait. wait. Wait for it. Exercise patience. Now it's done. You have to go back and restart your phone again. After this restart, you have just successfully bypassed, bypassed the Google verification account on this Huawei P10 Lite. As you can see, it is open. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share and leave a comment.